Yes, why don't you tell us your name? We have a Tivoli fan here with us. No, though his team suffered defeat, he wants to just share his thoughts with us. So what's your name and please?
Stuart Jacobs.
Stuart Jacobs, and he's a part of the Tivoli leadership. But what do you make of your team's performance today?
Um, one of those performances that you want to get away with, get behind you,
Yeah.
and look forward to the next game. It wasn't the Tivoli type of effort that we normally would get. And looking forward to the next game. I think one of the things with this game is we just didn't come out there aggressive enough to win this one. And we got the way we played, that's the result we actually got. So I am expecting us to put up a robust performance the next time. Very
Many,
confident about that.
many of the teams have been including a lot of young players. We see a lot of players out at the Da Costa Cup, the Manning Cup, 19-year-old, 18-year-old. What is, I mean, we realize we don't see a lot of that in the Tivoli team. What are some of the factors that may be contributing to that?
We do have some young players, and they are coming up through the ranks, but we're taking our time before we expose them. Some of our older players, as they call them, they are seasoned campaigners who have actually given yeoman service to the club. So coaching is wisdom. Their wisdom they're using what's available to them right now.
Okay, so you plan on making any move because there are a couple more days before this window closes. Is there any plans to
We are very
bring in
active in the
anybody
market.
in the
We're
market?
active in the transfer market, but you know it comes with a lot of the logistics behind that. But for the time being, we're in the market actively.
All right, thank you so much
You're
and
most
all the
welcome.
best for the rest of the season.
Sure.
Hope you can get a victory when the second round begins.
We will, and don't be surprised. And for the detractors, don't be disappointed if you see us going all the way.
All the way.
Yes.
All right then, yeah man. Thank you so much for your time.